Hello, my name is Alana Andromeda, and I'm here at Muses in Wonderland 2023. I first found out about Muses in Wonderland across Instagram, and I've been following Alice for quite some time. So I've been to many events in the past, and I was excited to see one hosted by a woman and a model. One thing that surprised me when I came to Muses in Wonderland was all of the space and all the different set options that there were. It was very diverse and plenty of time to fill 3 days worth of shooting, always having something new. It felt very professional having all amenities here at the location, including the chef, the dressing room, just everyone behind the scenes helping out. It felt very organized and relaxed, so we could really get some work done and have fun. So the horses here at Muses in Wonderland are so beautiful. I'm happy I got a chance to work with them. I was a little nervous at first, but after working with them, I can check it off my bucket list, let's just say that. What I would tell someone who's never been to Muses in Wonderland or had any doubts about coming is you definitely should take the chance, because everything was amazing. The organization, everyone involved, it was a great group of models and very respectful photographers. I appreciated that she had a close-knit group, and it was a great time. I would strongly encourage coming out. A message that I'd like to give to Alice and everyone here that's helped Muses in Wonderland really get going is I deeply appreciate you, and it's been an amazing experience. I really would encourage everyone to try it out and work around these great people. And I send a big thank you to you for making my life as a model much easier, having so much organization, planning, and all the work that went into it. So I definitely would love to come back. Thank you. If you'd like to see some of the beautiful art I created here at Muses in Wonderland, you can check the links below.